Hello student, now we are going to learn under introduction of machine tools. In this tutorial, we mainly learn number 1, what is tool life? Number 2, common way of expressing tool life means measurement of tool life. Number 3, various parameters affecting the tool life. Number 4, Taylor's tool life equation. First, what is tool life? Tool life can be defined as the time interval for which the tool works satisfactorily between two successive regrinding. Regrinding means sharpening. Okay. A particular tool cannot be used in operation for an unlimited period of time. Every tool possesses a definite life. Okay. So, tool life is the duration of a tool will operate satisfactorily until it will blunt. Okay. Now, there are 3 common ways of expressing tool life. 3 common ways of measuring tool life. Number 1, time period in minute between two successive grinding. Okay. Number 2, in terms of number of component machine, number of parts machines, number of job machine between two successive grinding. Number 3, in terms of the volume of material removed between two successive grinding. Okay. Next, the various parameters affecting the tool life are various parameters which is depend on tool life. Number 1, cutting speed. Cutting speed low, medium or high. Number 2, number 3, depth of cut. minimum depth of cut or maximum depth of cut. Number 4, tool material, cutting tool material. Okay. Number 5, tool geometry means different angles of the tool, reg angle, clearance angle, etc. Number 6, workpiece material, which material is being machined. Okay. Number 7, type of machining operation, whether it is turning, whether it is knurling, whether it is thread cutting. It is depend on tool life. Number 8, condition of machine tools. Condition of machine tools means whether machine tools are second hand or new machine. Okay. Number 9, use of cutting fluid. Use of cutting fluid, it is one of the most dependable factors which affect the tool life. Number 10, operator's skill. Operator's skill is also a vital factors which affecting the tool life. Okay. Now, what is Taylor's tool life equation? As per F. W. Taylor's, he established a equation. The equation depends on the relationship between cutting speed and tool life can be expressed as V t to the power n equal to C. V t to the power n equal to C. This is called Taylor's tool life equation, where V equal to cutting speed in meter per minute, T equal to tool life in minutes, small n equal to a constant whose value depend upon the material of the cutting tool and job. This constant depend on material of cutting tool and job. This is called tool life index. Okay. Commonly, we take n equal to 0.1 for HSS tools, n equal to 0.2 for cemented carbide tools, n equal to 0.6 for ceramic tools. Okay. And C, this C is another constant, a constant called machining constant, which is numerically equal to the cutting speed in meter per minute that gives a tool life of 1 minute. Okay, its value depend upon the cutting speed in meter per minute of a tool life of 1 minute. Okay. Now it can be seen that tool life varies inversely as the cutting speed. Tool life varies inversely at the cutting speed. That is, the higher the cutting speed, the smaller the tool life. Okay, higher the cutting speed, smaller the tool life. Generally, the reduction in tool life corresponding to an increase in cutting speed is parabolic curve. Okay. Here, if x-axis is tool life t in minute and y-axis is cutting speed v meter per minute, we show curve showing parabolic reduction in tool life with the increase in cutting speed. Okay. We also seen if the relationship between different cutting speed and the corresponding tool life are plotted on a log-log graph, it will be straight lines are obtained. Okay. It reveals that tool life decreases with the increase in cutting speed. Okay. If this is x-axis denoted log t, this is tool life, and y-axis, this is denoted log v, log cutting speed, we see tool life decreases with increase in cutting speed. This is the curve ceramic tools, tool life decrease with increase in cutting speed. Here cutting speed is maximum, tool life is minimum. here gradually decreases, here cutting speed minimum, tool life maximum. In this way, this is the plotted straight line, plotted different cutting speed and tool life. This is ceramic tools. This is for carbide tool. This is for HSS tool. This is for carbon steel tool. Cutting speed and tool life curve. This is the cutting speed and tool life curve for different tools, materials, plotted on log graphs. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.